My partner and I have been together for 6 years, and the only complaint I have after 6 years is that he snores every night, okay? Like, I sleep next to him because he's my partner, but I can't sleep because of him. You understand what conundrum I'm in as a gay person? तो मैं हर रात को देखता हूँ 3 बजे, and it's not like he normal karate मारता है. Starts off manly, then turns gay halfway, okay? It's like, this is why the government hates us. तकिया लेके मेरा मन करता है कभी कभी, you know, sometimes even I have desires, okay, I also have feelings, and I'm like, चुप ना 5 मिनट के लिए, shh, can I sleep in this relationship? But I can't legally kill him apparently, because we don't have gay rights to commit gay crimes, do you understand? We're not truly equal yet, okay, we can't put our partners in fridge yet, okay? That's a very Delhi thing again. And Bangalore thing, congrats guys, you're catching up.